How to disable a cracked touchscreen on your laptop or PC. Is your cracked touchscreen moving your cursor on its own? Making your laptop difficult to use? Quick tutorial. I will show you how to disable a cracked touchscreen on your laptop. Move your cursor to the search box near the Start button. Type Device Manager. Once it appears in the search results, click to open it. Inside the Device Manager window, scroll down until you find Human Interface Devices. Click the small right-facing arrow beside it to expand the list. Now look for HID compliant touchscreen. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. A confirmation message will appear asking, "Do you want to disable this device?" Click Yes. And that is it. Your touchscreen is now disabled, and the unwanted cursor movement should stop. If this Tech Tricks GH tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, share it with someone facing the same problem. Thanks for watching.